Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I have a couple of great subscriptions to show you today. I want to say Happy New Year. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get into them and check them out. We have Journal Junk Box and Mint Mongoose. This one is a jewelry subscription, and this one is a journaling, writing, notebook, all the fun things, lifestyle kind of box. We will start with Mint Mongoose. Mint Mongoose is a monthly subscription. This is sent to us for review. I will put the link down below. You can go over and check them out. They have fantastic sign-up bonuses, and when you sign up, you can let them know if you want silver, gold, rose gold. You can let them surprise you, mix it up. Whatever you'd like to do, you can choose earring and bracelet or earring and necklace. You can choose all three. Again, I will put the link down below so you can go over and check it out. This month we have a set that is inspired by the art of seeing things through another perspective. Each month, Helena, who owns Mint Mongoose, picks a jewelry set that has a way that she feels it links to her life. We also get, a card. We also get a Werther's Original, a little thank you note. Thank you, Mint Mongoose. And it gives you all of their socials on it, and our little packet of jewelry. I choose earrings and necklace. I am not much of a bracelet girl. Generally speaking, even sometimes when I'm taping, I have my Apple Watch on that hand now. I used to always be a Fitbit girl. I got an Apple Watch for Christmas. Oh, I think we have two necklaces. Interesting. I made the switch over to an Apple Watch and I am so happy with it. So these are the little packs that we get with our goodies in it. Oh, what does this say? Spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. So they also have a shop that you can go over and check out. Those are our goodies. Let me get them out of here. I'll be right back. I'm not sure if I am just missing it, but I don't see where it says why we got two necklaces this month, but it does say, and this is the first necklace, and my girls and I are all Kendra Scott people, and this really, really puts me in the mind of that. Isn't that beautiful? And she says that all of the gems are meant to represent all of people's different perspectives. So this one is a long one. Maybe the other one is short, and that's why we got two. I was hoping it would stay, you know, kind of here. Actually, I guess it shows much better against the black of my top, but that is very pretty. I like that a lot. The other necklace we have, and this one is a lot like the earrings, is a circle. And she says this is meant to represent a monocle so that we can see other people's perspectives. So I love the thoughts behind this. I had to make this one shorter so that it would show way up here. Can you see that one? That is so pretty. And look, the earrings, my shirt's going crazy here. And the earrings represent both. So maybe that's why we received both necklaces. It's got the gems from the one that I said looks like Kendra Scott and the monocle look. Oh, those are beautiful. Look how pretty those are. I love the length of them. I like hoops, but this kind of qualifies as hoops. And I like the length they are with my long dark hair. I like it when something's got enough oomph to kind of pop out. So that's a really pretty set. I love how the earrings kind of tie both of these together. Very pretty. I like it a lot. So this is Mint Mongoose. Again, this is sent to me for review. I will put the link down below. I don't have a code because she is always running such fantastic sales that you just don't even need my code. You'll get a great first month. Okay, next we have our journal junk. You guys know I love the journal junk box. I am definitely old school, analog. I love notebooks and pens. I love to write things down. I do some things now on my phone or my iPad, my computer, whichever. But as a rule, like my planner, I just got my new planner. I like it written. I like to leave that thing right open so I can see, because I not only use it as a upcoming, like doctor's appointments or meetings, any kind of thing like that. I also use it as a journal. Like today, I will write down which videos I taped, that kind of thing. So I'm very analog. When we open it up, this is what it looks like, and it says journal prompts on one side of this. On the back, it tells us a little bit about everything that we received. This is grounded and growing in January. We have our little affirmation card that says, I am rooted in my purpose and growing into my best self one step at a time. And then we have all of our goodies. Ooh, that's what it looks like when we open it up. I love all the greenness of it. I'm very all about the green. I know this is a horrible example. And I'm getting ready to tape a video in a minute where I try on clothes that are all also pretty much black, but I really love green. I do wear a lot of green. Okay, if I didn't say it, this is sent to us for review. I will put the link down below, and along with my code, Catherine Love, you will get 15% off your first box. First out, we have our stickers. Pretty and lush and green. The back says, I thrive when I focus on progress, not perfection. That is a really, really great motto. These are just pretty florals, and I love that. I use these in that planner I was just telling you about. Also journals and that kind of thing, but just to zhuzh it up and be like, hey, it's a pretty day. I like them for that. Next, we have our wasabi tape. I heard it going on in my brain and I couldn't stop my mouth from doing it. Washi tape. This is it another big one? Yes, this is another big one that reminds me of back, you're gonna have to be my age to appreciate this. It reminds me of back in the day when all of our moms were doing along the ceilings a nice border with print on it. These wider ones always make me think of that. Did your mom do that too? Did you do that? It doesn't have to have been your mom. This is pretty, and that's the picture of it. It looks kind of like a house in the spring. Gorgeous. That would be fun to do crafts with. Next out we have Plant Kindness. Oh, I think it's just a little, I think it's just a little sign. I could put it back here. That is super cute. I love that that's not huge. They're always so huge, and this would be fun to just slip in somewhere. For now, I'm gonna slip it in right back here. Can you see it? It's really cute. I like that. Okay, next out we have a body scrub. Bella Bear Body Scrub Punchy Pineapple. Love pineapple. Love the scent of pineapple. It says, relax, it's time to refresh and rejuvenate in the heavenly scent of punchy pineapple. I will absolutely love that. Next, we have Journal Junk Stamps Collection. You can either leave them like this, or what is much easier is they make wood blocks that you can attach these to, and then you have a stamp that you can do stamping on your cards, in your journal, in your planner, anything you like. I like to have these around, especially for the kids. I add them to our art cart, and it's just something else that the kids can do because they can stamp it onto a card and then use like my pencils or watercolor, anything they want to color it in. That's super fun. Next, we have our pins that say grow, flourish, and bloom. Love that. Growth takes time, and I trust the process. That's what's on the back of this. Oops, ripped it. Let's see how these pins feel. I've got flourish. Oh, they're kind of silicone-y. It's just a nice ballpoint. Well, we'll try it because, hold on a second, because next we have our notebook. That is what that looks like. I love that with the plant all over. Dog out barking in the snow. We got almost, wow, probably 8-10 inches of snow the other day. It's so fun and pretty and light, and everybody's out there having fun, including the puppy next door. So this is just a nice little journal. I love the size of it. With our green pen, so let's try it. Is it a ballpoint pen? It writes very nicely. It's just, oh, can you tell? It's just a nice little ballpoint. I like it a lot. I'm just ready to sit somewhere and take notes. I have been doing so many new recipes. One of my Christmas presents from my daughter was the new Half-Baked Harvest book, and I have been cooking the heck out of that. And once I've tried a recipe and I like it, I have actually a different book that I put it in. I think sometimes I just go looking for reasons to write things down, especially since it's literally in a cookbook that I own. To-do list. That is awesome. I have to tell you, sometimes I have more to-dos than that. I don't like that I do, but I do. This is pretty enough, again, to have sitting around with one of your pens. Very clever. Okay, that was our January journal junk. It had a real green theme. I love that. We got our to-do list, our wildflower stamps, our pineapple body scrub, our pretty notebook, our gorgeous, aren't those so pretty? They're nice stickers. I have all three of our pens and our washi tape. That is January's journal junk. So I will put the information down below for them. I will put the information down below for Mint Mongoose, which was all of this really pretty jewelry. And thank you so much for coming by. I hope you are enjoying the weather where you are. If you love snow, like I do, I hope you've got plenty of it that you can go out and play in. I think we might get a couple more inches this weekend, so I'm pretty excited about that. Thanks again for coming by. Happy New Year to you all, and I hope I see you again soon.